Hey everyone, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. Today we are going to be making a Valentines shadow box. So I had the idea floating in my head. I want a bee, like bzz, BB, and mine, so be mine. It probably doesn't make any sense and I'm just going crazy on my end, but let's see if we can get this put together. So I have found a font that I like. It's called Close to My Heart. It's very pretty. So I'll show you that. And if you're looking at the squares, what this represents is the shadow box. So the white square is the front of the shadow box where you can see what you can see through the glass. The gray square is the back insert into the shadow box, and then the yellow, that is the full shadow box. So you want to size stuff more for the white, and then if you're cutting like a background paper, which I'll be choosing for this, you want to cut it to the gray. So hopefully that makes sense. So we've got mine. Let's make that a little bigger. And we're going to change the color to that to pink. Now let's find a bee. And with the bee, I think I want to do a print and cut sticker. So we'll go look through, give this a second. Don't know why they're still showing Christmas stuff on the first page there. So lots of cute bees already, but I want multiple layers. And let's find something very Valentine's Day. Something cute that would make a good sticker. Oh, those ones with their tongue sticking out, those are cute. They look like they're ready to sting someone, so. We've got Be Happy. Oh, that one there with the heart. That one's cute, but I think the little twirly thing won't work. Let's keep looking. There we go. Move that to the top row. So that bee there. We got a heart. He's got heart antennas. It's called Bee Holding a Heart. MA82405E. So we're going to pick that one. Now, I want a flower for the background. So I want to put the sticker and the words, the Be Mine, on the glass itself. So let's find a flower. And we want, obviously, multiple layer. Let's get some cut and draw in there as well. Scroll up to the top. That one's cute. I like that one. I like that one. Even though I have multiple layers, I guess it's counting the pen as a layer. I just want something that we can kind of put the 3D dots on and make thicker. Let's see if we got anything else. We'll test those three out. So let's bring everything in. We're waiting. There we go. Okay. So we got three different flowers here. Put that just backwards. So it's going to go on the inside. Now that looks like a sunflower. A little bee in there. Make him a bit smaller. Make the mine a bit bigger. Let's flip the bee the other way. I'm not feeling that flower. Let's try this one. Got the nice green leaves on it. What do you think? That one's a maybe. Let's try the last one. A bit bigger. And again, I'm sizing it along with the white. Let's move it back. I think I like that one. I don't know if I'll go with the purple colors, but That one kind of fills it up the most, and it's not super overpowering. Got some nice pen work on there. So move that to the side. Now for the bee, we want to, as I said, I want to do this as more of like a sticker to put on the front. I don't want to layer it with cardstock. So you just highlight it, go to the bottom of the layers panel, and click flatten. It is now print and cut. I'm going to use a vinyl for the mine. So we got the bee, the mine, and the pretty flower. And then I'll cut out some background paper as well, the size of the gray layer of the box. So I will get this cut out, and I'll see you at my craft table.
Okay, here is everything for the most part cut out. I went with pinks for the flower. It's Valentine's Day. Gotta make it look pretty, you know, like the movie Pretty in Pink. So I chose this one as the background. Isn't that a pretty pattern? This is just lightweight decorative paper. I actually found this at the dollar store. Great deal. I'm going to use some foam squares to make the flower more three-dimensional. There's our little bee. I did get a weird line in there for my printer. I was having some issues with the print and cut. First I tried the see-through sticker, transparent sticker, and it didn't look right. And I'm like, well, we don't want to see through the bee. So I'm going to go with that one. So don't fault me for it. It's still going to look great no matter what. So we will start with our flower. I'm trying to organize myself here. So I have lined everything up, as you can see. These ones really don't matter how they go. It's these ones. So they do line up. So I'm going to try and keep everything the same. Make it easier for when I flip it around. And let's see how well this goes. I'll throw this in fast mode for you, because who wants to watch me do this? So we'll speed it up, and then I'll be back. So we got that part done. Let's get the flower attached to the backing. So I'm going to go upwards on it. Don't need to flip that one over. I need to flip this one over. So because this is a little wobbly, I'm just going to add the tape gently. And hopefully this will work. Okay, that's telling me we now have enough tape. So let's get this centered best we can. That looks pretty good. Press it down. Smooth it down the best we can. This is going to be a tight fit. In here, it's just going to fit, hopefully. I'm going to take off the little backing part. I should have done that beforehand. Those aren't needed. Sorry, I'm shaking the camera. Okay. So just on its own, it's actually really pretty. I really like that, but we got to do more. We got to add the bee, the mine, and then the little bee. So now I'm wondering, do I have the bee too big? Such a tough one. But let's take the glass off. I think it'll be easier with the glass off. So I'm gonna get that ready and then we'll do the next step. Okay, there's the glass there. Make sure before you attach vinyl stickers, you clean it with alcohol. This is 91%. It evaporates quick. I just have a little cotton pad there. So great on glass. And you're just cleaning any guck, any residue, anything that's going to interfere with the adhesion of the vinyl. So there, that part is done. Let me move my alcohol out of the way. I'm just putting my transfer tape back on the carrier sheet because I reuse it, and if you don't reuse it, I highly recommend that you do. Okay, let's put the box back together before we do anything. And then we'll see where everything is for placement. Sorry about that. Placement of the actual bee in the bee mine. Getting deja vu because I've already done this part. Okay. So this is the white sticker paper, and it did mess up. It didn't cut out that arm there, so I'm wondering if I'll probably mess it up. There we go. Oh, that's so cute. Zoom you in, get everything out of the way. What do we think? Got our little bee, our mine at the bottom. I could have gone a little higher with it. I'm slightly crooked. Don't tell anyone. If you don't tell, I won't tell. But I think this is absolutely adorable. Perfect gift to give someone, even keep in your home. I'm putting mine up in my home. If you do something like it, let me know in the comments what you're going to do with it. Give it away or keep it in your house. But thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.